Salvation is safety. Salvation is safety. Actually, folks, the simplest concept of the word salvation is to be saved from my enemies. This is the way the word is used often inside of the Old Testament. You go to the Psalms and you read the Psalms that David writes. And he writes a lot of these Psalms while he is in the wilderness, fleeing from his enemies. Actual flesh and blood people with spears and arrows and armies who actually want to physically kill him. And he prays to God in these Psalms that he would be David's salvation. And as you read that, you feel two things happening at once. There really is trouble in this world that I need saving from. But I know that there are deeper, more powerful things at work that I need saving from that I can't fix. And I need the God who is my absolute and complete salvation. The Lord is my salvation. God is the Lord of our salvation. He is the only one who can save us. We have enemies that can overwhelm us. We have a God who has already overwhelmed all our enemies. He is our salvation. We read this passage during worship before we rolled into that thought that our God is such an awesome God. From Psalm 18, verse 2, here's part of what we read together. The Lord is my rock and my fortress and my deliverer, my God, my rock in whom I take refuge. He is my safety, my shield, the horn or the strength of my salvation, my stronghold. Your soul is safe with God. The cross is what secures our salvation. Jesus is the one who secures our salvation. And if you have put your trust in Him, if you have put your faith in Him, your soul is safe with your God.